Hi all, welcome to Deep Learning Simplified project repository. This project repository basically is an open source repository which is containing beginner to advanced level deep learning projects for those who are wanting to start their journey in deep learning or those who are willing to showcase their skills in deep learning. So here is the repository where you can find huge number of deep learning projects which are being structured here for your preference. You can use it anytime, anywhere in your college projects, in your internship or anywhere, or even in your personal use. You can take the data sets, do your own project, or take the reference from these kind of projects that are being already listed here. So let's first check out a single project that is being mentioned, that is AI generated fruits and real fruits classification using image processing. So as you can see that this project repository contains three project folders, that is dataset, image, model, and another file which contains the requirements.txt, and it contains all the requirements, all the functions that are being pulled uh, for this project that are being mentioned here. uh, in the dataset folder, if I open that, you can find the dataset that is being fetched or that is being used for this particular project, and it is being fetched by Kaggle. In the images folder, you can find the AI images and the real images. In the AI images folder, you can find all the data points that are being used for this project for training and testing purposes. And also in the real folder, you can find all the um, images that are being used for training and testing purposes for this project. In the model folder, you can find all the models that are being used for this project. You can find the IPYNB or the Jupyter notebook file, and in which in that file it contains all the code, all the hard coding is being done in this particular file. You can find all the models here, and you can also have a clear idea by reading this particular readme or this documentation. You can find the goal, dataset description, what the contributor has done for this project, what are the models is being used here, what are the libraries that are being used, and some visualizations where you can find the accuracy scores, and also the components that are being used here. All the visualization is also included, so it is basically a proper documentation that will help you to understand what the project is, and it will help you to understand what the project wants to signify. And in the conclusion, he or she like concludes which model is being better in terms of this data set, and also the accuracy score. And also you can find the contributor's name here. They can showcase their name, LinkedIn or GitHub profile, so that he or she can showcase their skills to others. And these kind of projects are being put together for the students that are being who are wanting to start their journey in deep learning. There are huge number of projects here, from beginner level to advanced level, in different technologies, neural networks, image processing, deep learning, and many more. You can find the readme folder down below. The code of conduct is also written, the license is there, the security is there, everything is written here. In the in the readme file, you can find the structure of the project, you can find the workflow of the projects, how it works, how to fork the repository. All are being if you are new to these open source events, you can watch out these videos, read out this documentation which will help you how to create a pull request, what is Git or GitHub, how to clone a repo, how to fork a repo. You can find all this. And last but not the least, this project repository is being part of different open source event from the last 2 to 3 years. So it was part of Social Summer of Code, it was part of consecutively Social Summer of Code 2023, then Social Winter of Code, Code Peak event, and it also got huge number of achievements. And you can also find the number of contributors here. It's like I can show, like it's almost 61 contributors are here. It has also got 216 stars, 195 forks. So you know that these amount of people are also contributing in this project. So I hope you guys will also enjoy while contributing this open source project. Thank you for your time, and see you soon in the open source event.